Golf. You probably think old men, green grass, polite clapping. But lately, it's exploding. Literally. Trick shots, golf carts doing donuts, YouTubers driving 400 yards while screaming. And the audience? Younger, louder, and bigger than ever. Welcome to YouTube Golf. It's not your grandpa's country club anymore. Let's roll back. Once upon a time, golf was slow. Really slow. You watched it on Sundays, maybe, with your dad snoring in the background. Broadcasters whispered. Swings looked identical, and nobody under 40 seemed to care. Then came YouTube, and with it, chaos. Suddenly, golf wasn't just a sport, it was a show. Enter creators like Rick Shiels, GM Golf, Good, Bob Does Sports, and Yes Theory trying golf. Different styles, different vibes, same mission, make golf fun again. No gated courses, no khakis required, just guys with cameras, GoPros and golf bags, and challenges like, can we play 18 holes using only a putter? It worked. Rick Shiels was one of the first to blow up. A former teaching pro with a British accent, a swing smoother than butter, and a YouTube channel that made golf understandable. And more importantly, watchable. He turned lessons into entertainment, gear reviews into comedy, and brought millions into a sport they once ignored. Then came Good, part content house, part golf cult. Young guys playing fast-paced games, wearing hoodies, filming cinematic intros like they're making a Marvel movie. Their vibe, energy, their audience, Generation Z. Their results, insane. Tens of millions of views on matches that never aired on TV. Because traditional golf TV couldn't compete. YouTube Golf wasn't about trophies, it was about personality. Trash talk, redemption arcs, big misses, big swings, bigger laughs, and then came the collabs. Bryson DeChambeau, Brooks Koepka, PGA pros jumping into YouTube videos for exposure because they realized this was the future. The lines blurred. Tour pros wanted the audience. YouTubers wanted the cred. Now they're filming together, exchanging trick shots for sponsorships, and challenging who's more relatable. Add to that drones, slow motion replays, and meme edits. Suddenly, golf had a story. Every match felt like an episode. Every round, a journey. Even brands caught on. Callaway and TaylorMade started working with YouTubers to launch new gear. Adidas and Nike, golf influencers are now style icons. Meanwhile, viewers, they're not just watching, they're playing. Courses are seeing younger crowds. Kids are asking for clubs instead of consoles. Because golf is cool now, on YouTube at least. So why does this matter? Because golf was dying, stuck in tradition, losing relevance, and YouTube cracked it open. Not by changing the game, but by changing how we watch it, how we relate to it. Golf stopped being a sport only for the rich and retired. It became something you could play with friends, laugh over, compete in, and share online. It stopped whispering and started shouting, and viewers listened. We're now in a strange era where a 24-year-old with a drone and a hoodie gets more views than the Masters. Where a random backyard hole-in-one gets millions of clicks, and where the future of golf might live more on your phone than on a country club schedule. So next time you see a viral golf video, don't scroll past. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution, and it's driving straight down the middle of your algorithm. Here's the thing, we didn't change golf, we changed who got to tell its story. And when you hand the camera to someone who loves the game, but also loves chaos, magic happens. Golf on YouTube works because it's messy, relatable, unpredictable. No one's editing out the shanks. No one's pretending they're perfect. And that honesty, it hits different. You see a guy chunk a shot, laugh it off, and sink the next one from 40 feet? That's a better comeback than most sports movies. Because it's not just golf anymore, it's content, it's storytelling, it's community. And while the PGA debates rule changes, YouTubers are already playing their next 9 holes, with music blasting, drones buzzing, and millions watching. This isn't a glitch, it's the future. A future where golf isn't about country clubs and collared shirts. It's about cameras, chaos, and connection. And honestly, that might just save the sport. So yeah, golf is exploding, not with fireworks, though sometimes, yes, literally, but with views, with creativity, with energy. And YouTube, it's the driver's seat. Who knew the quietest sport on earth would make the loudest noise online? Because when sports meet storytelling, things change, and golf, it's having its moment, right here, right now, one click at a time.